Hello guys, in today's vlog we're gonna go to waterfall, but I kind of forget what the waterfall name, so I'll just probably put links down below what the waterfall called. And anyway, let's just enjoy the view and let's go. Whoa, my God, small road.
And now we need to walk, right?
Yeah, later on we need to walk. Maybe a bit more, no?
You on the right side. He said you on the right side, yeah?
Yeah. Waterfall. Also, we got stick to walk because it's slippery. Ooh, it's nice.
I will turn off Wi-Fi.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, anyway, we're going down. Whoa, and we're gonna go to waterfall.
Look here.
What? What? There's something? Oh. Oh, damn. That's kind of scary.
Wait, I will turn on. Well, I don't have much light.
Ooh. Yeah.
It looks creepy.
Anyway,
Come from here.
look. We climb down. And I think we still need to go down. Nice. Ay, ay, ay. Ooh.
What? Ay. We need to jump through river. Like he said. Whoa! What? Whatever. Hey.
Oh God, this is kind of
Okay, I need to
big
fast
step.
clean
Ha!
this.
Huh. Oh. I think we are very close to the waterfall.
Oh, yes. I'm curious about that stone. Here, is it?
Ah, yeah. In the stone. Hmm? Oh, a mist. The waterfall?
Nothing?
Yeah. Whoa! Oh, wow! Haha! Waterfall! Yeah.
Wow.
So beautiful!
So refreshing.
Yeah.
Ready?
Well, no, I'm not ready. Then also we need to cross this to get to there. I'm too short. You go first. Okay. Okay. Hey! And no bye-bye. No. Bye-bye. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna go across. Bye. We made it across. And now look. Whoa. It looks better on this side. Whoa. Woo. It's so nice and refreshing. This is. It's like I'm taking shower. Yeah. Wow. Now we need to go up this way, which is kind of very hard and slippery and scary. So yeah. Okay, now we're on the way.
It's only that part.
on the second waterfall, and he said he saw snake. Don't touch the damn snake, Jesus. Hey.
What means bula?
Idiot.
Bula is not idiota, bula is white people.
Exactly, idiot. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, now we're gonna need to go down there. But I think the waterfall is kind of close now. If you can see, like, there's a water flow there. Yeah. Okay, wish us luck. We made it! Jesus! Whoa! So beautiful! Whoa! Look at that stream of water. Hey! Oh, wow! Hey! Hello! Hey! It's nice and cold!
Yeah, wait.
Yeah! Wee.
So strong.
Not that much. Oh yeah, okay, it is.
That stick is not the line. It's kind of heavy.
Okay, we're trying to go back.
What?
We're going to back to scooter, no? But I don't know.
This way.
That way?
I think so.
Okay. Okay, let's go anyway. Well, this is a problem. I think we kind of got lost. And also, I'm too short to step this high step. He's already somewhere there, trying to figure out which way we're supposed to go anyway. So yeah, I am stuck here. Oh no.
Good, well, thanks God for long legs.
Yeah.
And good that you didn't come here.
Anyway, we chose wrong
Anyway,
road.
in jungle.
Yeah, lose our way. So we kinda need to go back. But it's very slippery. So, yeah. I think our way was supposed to be there. You see? There's someone there.
Where?
There's someone there on the other side. I think we're supposed to be there.
Can you go there and ask?
No. I need to scream, I think so. I mean, I need to go. Anyway, I think now we're on the right road.
I think so.
Yeah, we think so. We asked a local here. Well, it's definitely nicer trail rather than before.
Yeah, for sure. I almost died 3 times.
Eh.
But don't worry. The strongest was Fort America. Oh.
Eh? What? I think that's a helicopter.
Very ultra slippery.
Okay. I think we're almost done. Hey, be careful. Oh, there's another wrong way. We went to middle of rice field, someone's rice, and we're going back again. I think we're supposed to go on right. Like there's a stairs and we took left. We're supposed to go on right, I think so now. I don't know. Well, yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
We'll go to straight.
No,
No.
go there.
Okay, fine. Okay, let's go. So anyway, it's another rice field, so it's the wrong way again. So we're gonna try just go back to where we come from. And also the state in my shoes full mud. I'm getting kinda tired. Anyway, we're going back now. So now I'm alone because he's checking this way.
Baby,
Yeah,
it's candy way.
it's the way.
It's nice and clean up there.
You really want to go try that way rather than this way? Going back?
What do you think?
I don't know.
I think it can be tiring, but it can be nice adventure.
Hush.
Go on, let's go.
Okay, fine, then help me up. Okay, I'm going. Anyway, we made it from bottom there. Now we're here. Ay, ay, ay. Stop playing with your stick. Go ba. Idiota. Let's do this. Pa! 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 Go ba. Going right? Ay, ay, ay.
You don't know that it's jungle?
Hmm?
I don't know this jungle.
I don't know. I mean, there's building there, so maybe. God, my legs so itchy. So many mosquito before. I just hope this is the right way. I'm tired.
I don't think so.
No?
And look. Some fields. The rice fields.
Rice fields? Hey, let me go through there, no?
Okay, and there's a second way too. Okay,
Okay, anyway, just try. Okay, now we're here. There's a cow. Judging us. The cow is judging us. Oh my god, duck. Oh my god, the daddy bird. Look at the duck.
on someone farm.
Yeah, well, I don't know where else to go.
Let's maybe better go back.
Ducks. Ducks, 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 ducks. Oh wow, so many cow. Okay, I think we're gonna continue straight.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're here on the village.
I think it's nice.
Yeah, so
Yeah, correct way.
we'll
Go
try
straight and then left.
to go back to our ride.
So 4 kilometers, I think so.
4 kilometers?
Small walk. Let's go.
Oh god.
Adventure.
Yay. Okay, we're almost there to our scooter. Right? Right? What? Oh damn.
You see?
That's scary.
Oh, there is the way.
Are you?
Yum.
No. This is almost our way to our scooter. Finally.
Oh, by the way, hiking and walking is good for butt. By the way, it's kind of like a lot of squat. Oh. Yes?
Kubra.
Okay, bye.
Ay. What is it? Okay.
There is more scooters, so more bullets.
I hope they're not lost like us. Or maybe.
Let's go one more time and show them why.
No. No, thank you.
Didn't see helmet, or see my helmet. What is your helmet? Inside?
Yeah. Ah, shit, dude.
Jungle.
Not anymore.
Be careful for monyet. I will teach you that how to survive.
Finally. Our scooter.
Yeah.
Yay. Okay, let's just put the stick here. No?
Over here.
There you go.
There is more bull.
Thank you, my friend. You have been kind. Don't forget your helmet.
And India, Australia, German, Austria, German, Poland. Hey, Poland.
Yeah, you're from Poland, no?
I'm from Poland, yes.
Okay, let's go.
Here you go, your jacket.
So the reason we got lost is because we're stupid. So we're supposed to go back to the original entryway. So if you're gonna come to this waterfall, just remember, just go back. Just go back. Don't do what we did. Anyway, I hope you like the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Oh, so beautiful. That phone. Hello.
Hello. Hello, it's us with sticks.